Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open a deep tap spindle on the wall. So what you need to do is you need to get a tool. This is a tap spanner set. It's an extension where you can plug it into here and open it.
Okay, so here I'm going to connect it. So you can see after you connect it, you can just use the spanner and turn the spindle. So just turn it, be tight because this one here is quite old. So you need to use a little bit of force. Just be careful that you don't twist it. So just use it and then use the spanner and turn it. Sometimes the tap spindle can get really stuck into the wall, and even if you try hard with the spanner, it won't turn. Now here I'm going to use WD-40 and give it a few spray. Hopefully that will loosen up. If it does not work, you might need to use this universal wrench and open it. So I'm just going to give it a few knocks here just to allow it to turn slightly. Once it started to turn, we can then try to use the spanner to open it. Now as this tab hasn't been removed for a long time, so it becomes stuck into the base. Now using the universal wrench, I was able to twist it and then use the spanner to open up the spindle. So you can see in combination with the spanner set and the universal wrench, you will be able to move this deep socket spindle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.